Dear Cricut, you got to do better. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home, wherever you at. And in this video, I'm about to unbox this HTVRONT press and see if this is the press that Cricut should have designed right after the intro. One thing I like about this press already is that it is super light and portable in comparison to some of these bigger presses, especially when it gets to the 15 by 15, you might struggle a bit. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know what you do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all of that good stuff, because I make videos like this all the time. Yes, I mean all the time. Make sure I ain't got get that dirt off my shoulders. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of Jay-Z in here, but I'm excited today because this was a press that I seen. Actually, they had hit me up, HTVRONT, a long time ago. They sent a bunch of messages, and I just wasn't interested in seeing this press. That wasn't until my homegirl, Carolyn, had this press at her job and was getting the work done with some marathon transfers. I said, you know what? I gotta go ahead and get it. I gotta give it a review. I know everybody done unbox it and stuff like that, but I'm gonna do something different. Video 2 to this is gonna be the one that's gonna be really important. But in this video, we're gonna unbox it and see if this is the press that Cricut should have made when they made that George Foreman grill. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. No scissors, no scissors. Oh, here's razor right here. We're gonna crack this thing open. All of these like presses and things that are out, they don't ever make anything for the fellas. It's like every last heat press. As you can see, I got rid of the old stuff. We get into the new stuff, but every last heat press seems to be in all white or some girly color. I don't know why. They don't love us, fellas. They don't love us. They like crafters only with this stuff. So we got another white press. White is better than just like some of the other colors, the purples and the pinks when it comes to being a guy and all of that stuff. But let's see if I can just slide these, or I gotta slide it all out at once. Looks like I gotta slide it all out at once. I'm gonna throw this thing on the floor and I'm gonna pull it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this thing is super light. This thing is super light. This is really portable. One of the reasons that I'm looking at it and I like it is because it's really portable. This is a really smooth, clean design when it comes to this press, it looks like. Okay. I like it. Looking good. All right, let's see what else we got to do. Apparently it's engaged, so let me go ahead here, pull out the cord, and take a look at it. Let's see. Okay. Smell time! That's right, I'm getting right to it. You know why? Because this does not remind me of a George Foreman grill, so I just wanted to start it out with the smell test. So let me go ahead back in here and give it a couple sniffs. If we talking grills, right? You know what I mean? We talking grills right now. We talking George Foreman. It's okay. You know what I'm saying? It's okay to have a George Foreman grill. You know what I mean? Cricut. But at the same time, it ain't nothing like the real deal grill. When you see your boy on there with the, I can't even tell y'all what it is, but the brown sugar barbecue sauce, and your boy's getting it in grilling. Y'all see me all on Instagram grilling it up. Smells like I just hit the grill this weekend, man. This thing is a beauty. So this is the real deal grill right here when it comes to the grills of heat presses. I really look at it like this is probably the press that Cricut should have made. Now, I haven't, as a disclaimer, I have not used the Cricut press. I just don't even see the functionality with it and all of that kind of stuff. And I know they got like the cheaper versions of that press now on Amazon and stuff, but it just didn't ever do it for me when it came to the look and feel. It looks cool, okay, craft version, but one of the things I want to do with this one is I want to put it right to the test today and see how it handles production wise, okay? So let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, disengage, smooth drawer. All right, this little cheap top here though, they could have gave me, I guess, well, it's like a cheap top. It could have been a actual, what we used to, but it works, let's see. I'm not feeling I don't have no gap here. And if I slide this in after, okay, so I'm wondering how it'll thread and how it'll line up with me lining things up upside down the way that I do. I don't want to have to load my shirt facing me. So that's a little bit of a downside. If it could come out another 2 inches, just so I could get over top of it and kind of lay the shirt on it. I'm just giving you guys a quick deal here. I need a phone. Let me get my phone because this thing heating up. All right, so let me cut it off real quick. So it's starting to warm up on, oh, not too hot, but I want to give it a go ahead and make sure we timing this like we do. We're going to do all of the normal tests that we do, man. Nobody's as thorough as me. So, all right, we're going to turn it on. You got a nice temperature button to read. It was only going to go up to 210. We're going to go up, way up. See if it'll let me. Oh, I got to keep clicking it. I ain't liking that. Goes up in 5 increments. No big deal there. So we're going to go to 320 like we normally do. I like the way this is like really, really direct as far as like a thermometer for time, clock for the clock, and the up down arrows. We'll figure out what all the rest of this stuff is. Oh, it got some presets on here. It got presets on here, which is pretty good. That's pretty cool. I don't know what this AB is. We have to figure some of this stuff out, but I'm digging the fact that it has some presets to it. All right, you hit the button, it closes it. We got the stopwatch going, and we're gonna see how long it takes to warm up. Then we're gonna go ahead and check the, what do we check on these things? What do we check on these things? Oh, the heating element. We're gonna check the heating element. Really cool right there. So I'm gonna let this ride real quick. I can tell you it's going really, really fast. I'm gonna say it's gonna be sub 5 minutes. That is going to be a winner when it comes to the speed of warming up for 15x15 presses that I've seen thus far. It's at 230 right now, and it's climbing really, really fast. We had 36 seconds. All right, maybe we had to add 2 minutes. I'll give you an official time. Again, I'll do it again because I did kind of start a little bit late, but I'll put it down in the comments below, or rather in the description below for you guys, what the warm-up time was. While we do that, let me tell you guys what we're going to be pressing today. So I got a Circle Clothing t-shirt here, size small, white right there, and we're going to be pressing up. I'm going to show you guys actually how to put a gang sheet together in another video coming up here, but we're going to be pressing up one of my Delaware designs today. Where's my scissors? Rock with these real quick. And you guys may have seen me, actually you have probably seen me cut these stickers out on the iColor 250. But today we're going to be pressing a shirt on this HTVRONT press. Yo, this thing's at 258 degrees right now already. So you talk about warm-up time, you talking about fast. This thing runs to 40 and sub 4.4 speeds right here. My football players out there know what I'm talking about. Even if I gave it the other time, it's going to be under 5 minutes. I am really, really feeling that. Now, one of the things I'm wondering about is pressure, okay? I'm wondering about pressure and medium firm, how much, we don't know. All I want to know is the stuff working or is it not working, right? So we at time right now, and that's 2 minutes and 30 seconds, right? Let me show y'all that. 2 minutes. Hopefully y'all can see it. 2 minutes and 29, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Even if I had to give it 2 minutes, it's still the fastest heat press that I've ever seen warm up across the board. This size 15 by 15. We talking about probably 3.5 minutes. I'm gonna see how accurate that is, but I'm thinking it can't be more than 4 minutes, right? So now that we got that out the way, all right, if you leave this under here, it's really hot. It's not a lot of space in there. I'm gonna hit the button here. It closes it. It looks like it's injecting a lot of power because as it touches, then the top rises up. So I'm wondering what that is pressure-wise. But at the end of the day, man, we got Marathon transfers. If you need transfers and you rocking with your boy, go to Marathon. Great service. We shipping everything out less than 48 hours once your artwork is approved. You have problems with your artwork, I'm calling you on the phone personally right now, right? Later on down the line, depending on when you're watching this, it may be some call service or somebody on the team, but they gonna know what they talking about. Unlike a lot of these people selling transfers at their place, you pick up the phone, you calling somebody who's never printed a t-shirt. So if you need transfers, you need presses, you need any supplies for your business, hit your boy up at marathon.supply. That's marathon.t-shirtsidehustle.com. I appreciate you guys for rocking with me this far. Let's see here. All right. I'm feeling it, man. I'm feeling it. One thing I'm not liking right now is I see some very, very thin wires hanging out right there. I don't like that. I don't know what it is. A very, very, very smooth drawer. A very, very nice design. The top right here, at least as of right now, it doesn't feel like it's taking on any heat. So it seems to be a bit kid friendly. All right, just in touching it and comparing it, different things. I'm really, really loving this build. Now I gotta really get my hands on a Cricut one to see how it is. But we about to go ahead now and see if this is the press that Cricut should have made. All right, here we go there. Now, I know this will work with transfers, but one of the things that a lot of transfers companies say they don't want pillows and different things like that. This is rather firm, right? But they don't want you using heat press pillows with transfers because it affects the pressure. They much rather use like the pads, T-pads, and different things like that. All right, so let's go ahead now and give it our first press and see how it actually does. All right, I'm going 3 fingers down from the collar. About 3.5 fingers down from the collar. I'm going to center this bad boy right there. Then I'm going to do what I do and step back and take a look. I'm not seeing the lines the way I normally see it. I'm not seeing the lines the way I normally see it. I'm going to try the fold technique for this one just because I'm getting used to this platen here. Crease it down the spot. That's the center. And now we're going to check that again. Bow, bow. All right, well, it looks good. Looks good. All right, hit that in there. Hit that button. Stress-free. This is stress-free pressing right here. No closing. It ain't giving you the loud pop. I'm feeling it. I don't know how firm the pressure is. I don't know any of that. I think if they could go to an advancement of figuring out like different levels of pressure, if you could adjust that, it would be pretty good. We got the steam coming out. Everything here looks to be the way it should be. Look at that. That's a good press too. It's a straight press. Straight press. While we wait for this to cool down, because these are a cold peel, I'm just going to go ahead and press the bottom. I'm going to iron this thing out. Let's just iron it out. Only the real ones out there use their heat press as an iron. So if I ever need to, most of the time I just don't iron. I think they'll fall out. But if I ever needed to, I don't really, I'm going to the heat press for the iron, right? Okay, check it out. All right, let's see. We're gonna go with it right on top since it's a smooth deal with the Marathon smooth peel. Smooth deal, smooth peel. All right, looking good, man. This thing actually works. It actually looks good. We got to do the post press. It came with post press. I really don't care which way I put the shirt on the pallet, just so y'all know. It came with a Teflon cover. I won't be able to use my magnets like I normally do to kind of hold it in. So let's go ahead now, give it a post press. Now, I wonder if it's a way that I can abandon this at 10 seconds. Let's see what happens. Did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? It just did it on command. Boop. I'm wondering how good I can be with production with this thing. I am really wondering. Got the post press. This thing, it feels so smooth, y'all. It feels so smooth with the post press. Transfer good, design good, shirt good, press stress-free, kid family friendly. My aunt just called me wanting to press. I'm like, you want to spend 500? She like, no, I want to spend like maybe 250. I said, if you can do 300, I got something for you. I ain't even opened this yet, but I'm like, this is what she needs. Cause she's like, I'm not really doing it professional. No. This is what she needs right here. So I'm gonna have to get her one of these. Now, the most important thing that we need to know is now how consistent it is. The design, immaculate. Cricut, y'all should have hired whoever designed this. I've said it, you know what I mean? Last time I said y'all had a George Foreman grill, I got in trouble by some unknown people, or known unknown people, because they trying to, whatever. But let's see here. See what we got temp-wise. 322. 315. 322. And it's still set at 320, guys. $315, $323, closer to the center, and this top right here. I'm on the outer edge. $321, $323. We at the barbecue, you know what I'm saying? When people taste my food, they be like, yo, you should, you know what I mean? I might want to kiss the chef, you know what I'm saying? This here, you might want to kiss a designer for y'all ladies out there. I don't know how it's going to hold up production-wise. I actually got a job right now. I got to run 60-something transfers. I'm going to see how I feel because, man, this is a winner right here. I'm telling y'all right now. Right now, just design-wise, bringing something new to the market. Cricut, I think they failed. This here, I'm going to have to get these for sale on Marathon.supply. I don't know if I can work that out, but we might have to have it on Marathon.supply. But if you want to get one, I don't know if I got an affiliate link right now. I'm not affiliated with Amazon at the current moment, but I'll have a link to it down in the description. If you need one of these, you can get it down there. I'm going to put this thing to work, and I'm going to see how it really holds up. And I might just need 2-3 of these. Now, we got some dope stuff coming for y'all on Marathon. We got some new presses coming. You see it's out with the old and with the new. Woo! They won. I just need it in black. Hey, HTVRONT, please, if you watch this video, right, I need y'all to put one of them together in black. And I need y'all to send it to me first. That's all I'm asking. That's it. That's all I want. I want one in black. Men in black, press in black. Give me one of these presses in black. And I love you a long time. Just kidding. All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is an unboxing. I normally wouldn't have did this. Shout out to Carolyn for when I saw the pictures that she sent me of her in her desk. It reminded me going back to the security job and putting the press in the lobby and getting to work. Right? That's what it reminded me of. So shout out to her. Man, it was really inspiring to see. We got to get to the grind, baby. I hope y'all out here working. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. It's been your boy Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace.
The T-Shirt Side Hustle team would like to give a huge shout out to its contributing members.